Dead Riffs, and today we're going to continue on the Rain song. Alright, so this jazz section that you already know. There's an extended version while it's doing some sort of instrumental, ridiculously loud string solo. So, you take that second chord that you've done, and you just scoot it up to the 5th fret. Now, we got the new part. It is a rock and roll part, and all you got to do is just put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Got the open A, 2nd fret on the D, open G string. And if you want, you can throw your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the B. You don't have to. It just makes it sound really full. And then you walk up. So that's on the fat string. And then this chord is completely barred on the 5th fret, except for that note. So. And then you got this chord. Kind of like when we did this before. You know. So when we get to this 3rd chord, instead of starting right here, just have your middle finger right there. So that's the 3rd chord, and then you walk down to the A-ish. It's not really an A, but... Alright, and those are the chords. So when you get back down to that 1st chord, maybe just do it with your pointer finger because you're going to need these 2 fingers to go like this. And so what that is a middle finger on the 3rd fret, you hammer it on to the 4th fret on the A string, and then you hit the open G string. And you do that twice. And then on the 3rd one, you do it again, but you hit the D string this time. Alright, good luck!